Hi, my name is Andy Parkin and I'm the Managing Director of the multi-award-winning British company Screed. Today I want to look at what self-leveling floor screed is and how it is used. So self-leveling screed and its applications. If you want to form a level surface, self-leveling screed is an essential part of the process. It forms a smooth, flat and stable layer upon which you can lay the final floor covering. Self-leveling screed can support tiles, stone, wood, laminate, vinyl and carpet floor coverings. It is also perfect to use if you are installing an underfloor heating system and need to safely and securely encase the pipework. In this example, we would define self-leveling screed as the ready pumpable variety rather than the thin smoothing compounds. These pumpable screeds can be either calcium sulphate or cement-based products. Once it arrives, the screed can be pumped out or poured onto the base layer. Buying a ready-mix variety of screed is often the better option. It is less labour intensive, economical, easy to apply and also removes any potential mixing errors, particularly if you are not used to working with this type of material. So how to lay self-leveling screed? It is always wise to contact an expert before screeding any large areas, and particularly if you are installing underfloor heating. Over time, there has been a movement towards using ready-mix screed for all the reasons mentioned above. The whole purpose of self-leveling screed is to provide a smooth finish by levelling out the existing floor. This applies for floor bases already in situ or those which have been freshly laid. Although they are called self-leveling screeds, there is still a need to manually assist the process. Therefore, once the screed is applied, it should be finished with a dapple bar. Self-leveling screed can be applied bonded, direct to the base layer, or unbonded on a damp-proof membrane. It is routinely used as a floating application to secure hot water pipes in underfloor heating systems. Drying times can vary according to the brand of screed, but for most you will need to leave approximately 1 ml per day of screed up to 40 ml and 2 days per ml thereafter for calcium sulphate screeds. There are fast drying options which in the right conditions can dry within 14 to 21 days. However, don't be tempted to lay your final floor covering before the screed is fully dry. This can lead to damage to the flooring and will reduce the durability and longevity of the final floor. If you need help or advice about your flooring project or just more information about self-leveling screed, our helpful team is available to take your calls. We are happy to give help and advice and information to make sure you get the best possible results.